Imagine that you're already living on dividends and interest. Kung saan, yung investments mo, yung cash flow nito, yan na yung magbabayad sa lifestyle mo, sa mga expenses mo. Well, I've also asked that question myself. And in this video, I'm gonna share with you, ano yung gagawin ko if money is not a problem? So yeah, let's go. 3 things I would be doing if money is not a problem. So like, imagine I'm already living on dividends and interest. So ito yung gagawin ko. 3 things. First one is, tuloy pa rin ito. Like, I love content creation. I love creating content. I really like teaching. Like, simplifying yung mga complex concepts. Like, most people, nahihirapan sila mag-understand ito. And I really love simplifying, explaining yung mga concepts na yun. And in fact, like years ago, before nauso yung ganito, video contents, like, nagsusulat talaga ako. So, meron akong blog dati. And then, yun nga, I just really love creating content. And ito din, like, content creation, talking about personal finance, investments, Lodi lifestyle. It's an avenue for me to really just let go of my passion and being able to be authentic about myself. Kasi like, as some of you might know, I have a digital marketing agency. So, I'm doing copywriting services for my clients. And minsan kasi dun sa service na yun, like, yung sinusulat ko for my client is like, buy now, limited slots only, parang ganun. Like, I'm convincing people to buy yung mga products ng mga clients ko. And minsan, I feel like grabe yung push ko to really sell. And then, minsan, you have to do this mga marketing strategies for you to be able to sell products. And a part of me says like, parang hindi naman ako ganun eh. Like, I don't like to push people to buy products that they might not need. So, parang ganun. So, that's why doing content creation is like an avenue for me to be authentic. To just really share ano yung mga gusto kong i-share. And, ayun nga, very happy lang talaga ako na merong people mag-feedback na they learn a lot from my content. And it just really makes me happy. So, yes, if money is not a problem, I'll still be doing content. I like sharing what I know and I like explaining mga complicated concepts and simplifying it so that people will understand it better. And I just really love about personal finance. Like, even since college, nagbabasa na talaga ako ng mga books about personal finance. And, ayun nga, yung first blog ko was also about personal finance. And, when I started to work, I was working as a chemical engineer. Pero, on the side, I was attracted to do a side hustle, a side career as a financial advisor. Kasi again, love ko talaga yung personal finance, about saving, about investing. And right now, ayun nga, like, I'm creating YouTube videos all about investing, like Lodi lifestyle, because my passion ko talaga is personal finance. And one way for me to really share yung passion ko is content creation. Second thing that I'll be doing if money is no longer a problem is probably I'll become a gamer. So I'm actually a gamer, and so naglalaro ako ng mga games. In fact, I have a YouTube channel all about gaming, so you might want to check that out. If you're also a gamer, you might want to check that out. So it's called S-Class Gaming. So dito, dino-document ko yung mga games na nilalaro ko. And in fact, isa sa mga Lodi ko, yung mga idol ko when it comes to gaming, is si Dino Cornell. So you might know him. If you're a gamer, you might know Dino Cornell. So sobrang idol ko talaga siya. Like, if you ask me, like, he's living my dream life. Okay, like, laging naglalaro. At the same time, he's also making money by playing video games. So just imagine how crazy that is. So naglalaro ka lang, you're also paid doing it. So yeah, I really love playing video games. And in fact, I'm a frustrated gamer. So yung nalaro ko lang before is yung Game Boy. Okay, tapos hindi ko talaga na-experience yung mga different kinds of consoles until such time na, yun nga, I was able to work na. And yung brother ko, he bought PS2, PS3, and then PS4. Pero hindi talaga ako nakakapaglaro. And just recently lang talaga, I told myself na, ano ba yung reason why nag-work ako? Of course, to provide for my family. However, for myself naman, like, yes, I provide for my family, pero how about me? How can I also feed myself? And that's why, just recently, yun, I bought PS5 together with my brother. And then at the same time, I also bought a Steam Deck. Kasi again, I just really wanna feed myself talaga na, ayun, be able to play the games na hindi ko mga nalaruan. In fact, right now, like, Steam, sobrang daming mga sale, mga games sa Steam. Medyo na-addicted din ako buying mga different kinds of games. But then again, it's a reward for me. It's a reward system for me na I work hard, I reward myself, I buy video games, and I play these games. So yeah, if money is not a problem, probably I'm a gamer. Nagsistream siguro ako and creating more gaming video contents. But basically, yun nga, if money is not a problem, I'll be focusing also, I'll be sharing my love about gaming through content. So again, balik pa rin dun sa first one, di ba? Content creation. So magko-content ako about gaming. And the third thing that I'll be doing if money is no longer a problem is I'll be investing in mga different types of investments. So, quick backstory. Back then, nung bata pa ako, I really remember this na meron kaming travel with my family. So, like, we were supposed to travel the whole Cebu, the south of Cebu. So, tinatawag namin na round south. So, we're gonna travel the whole south of Cebu. So, actually, we did that. However, in the middle of that travel, kakarating lang namin sa dulo and my mom said like, balik na tayo kasi may meeting pa ako. That was the time na sobrang na-disappoint ako. Like, what? We're supposed to travel, we're supposed to enjoy. And medyo nasad lang ako kasi yung day na we're supposed to enjoy, meron palang work-related yung mom ko. And we had to go home early because of that meeting. And that was the time I told myself na, by the time I'm gonna travel with my family, with my kids, gusto ko na yung time na yun para sa kanila talaga. And that's the time I also decided that I want to become an investor kung saan I invest in mga assets that will give me money so I don't have to go to meetings and stop yung travel namin because meron akong meeting. So, yeah, ever since gusto ko talaga maging investor. Like, even right now, I'm already investing and yun nga, I really love being an investor. And that's why during college, mahilig na talaga ako magbasa ng books about personal finance and investments. And if money is no longer a problem, yan probably what I'll be doing. So, I'll be investing in the different types of investments. In fact, ako personally, I've really tried a lot already, like cooperatives, like REITs, dividend stocks, cryptocurrency, time deposits. So, name different types of investments, mutual funds, UITFs, na-try ko na a lot of these investments. However, I am still willing to try more. So, like investing in NFTs, investing in crypto, investing in metaverse, parang ganun. So, very interested talaga ako on investing. And right now, like, because of like innovation, technology, AI, I believe meron pa mga different types of investments that I can invest in. At the same time, I'm also interested in investing into different types of businesses. Let's say, for example, personally ako, I'm very interested with hydroponics. So like, dito sa bahay, we also been trying that one kung saan you'll be able to grow mga plants without soil. So just using water and nutrients and whatnot. So why not create a business about that one? So I'm very interested also to do that. However, ayun nga, since unlike most business owners na gusto sila mag-create ng business tapos they wanna make it grow, ako naman personally, I want to create many mini businesses. So, ayun nga, hydroponics business, probably a cafe also, coffee shop, ganon. And very many small business kasi again, ako personally, I love to try new things kasi. So that's why, as an investor, if money is not a problem, I'll be probably trying mga different types of investments. And balik pa rin sa content creation, yan yun, i-share ko, i-document ko, and maybe some of you could also learn from these types of investments. In fact, yan yung isa sa mga goals ko dito sa channel na to, is to conduct mga different investments kung saan, ayun nga, I'll personally do it and then share it with you guys, ano yung experience ko. In fact, I am already starting doing it. So, meron akong video dito, you might wanna check that out, kung saan I borrowed mga different lending apps. Tapos, ano yung best one that gives the best interest. Tapos, I also did another experiment kung saan I borrowed money. Tapos, I invested into different types of investments. And the question is, was it a good idea or a terrible mistake? So, ayun nga. Pero, yung mga experiments na yun, small scale lang. And just imagine, if money is no longer a problem, probably I could do much bigger mga experiments. So, let's say, for example, like, I bought a condo unit. Tapos, is it worth it compared with my REITs investment? Ano ba yung mas maganda? Buying a property or just investing in REITs? Parang ganun. Or like, I bought a farm lot and was it worth it? So, mga ganun klaseng investments, I'm very excited to really also do that. So, if money is not a problem, again, I'll be investing in mga different types of investments and I'm gonna be sharing it dito sa channel na ito. So yeah, yan yung 3 things that I'll be doing if money is no longer a problem. Content creation, being a gamer, and of course, investing in mga different types of investments as an investor. So ako din, curious ako, ikaw Lodi, ano ba yung gusto mong gawin? Ano ba yung gagawin mo if money is not a problem? If you're already living on dividends and interests? I'm very curious. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section down below.